Hello, hello, hello! This is your Thai finish pero pusong Pinay.
Tara, mag-dumpster na tayo.
Isang mapagpalang umaga na naman everyone. Another morning. Ayan, alas 9 ng umaga si Miggy dito pa. Dahil today, meron siyang neobula check-up kasi 7 years old check-up niya. And then that will be done hindi na po doon sa clinic na lagi namin pinupuntahan or doon sa health center. It will be done at school na po. So, sa mga schools nila dito, meron na rin po doon, healthcare clinic ng neobula. So, yung mga first grader taas sa school na ginagawa ang kanilang health check-up. So, si Miggy meron siyang schedule for the day. Pero it doesn't mean na sa school ang kanilang health check-up ay hindi na sila kailangan samahan ng magulang. Sasamahan pa rin po natin ang ating mga anak sa health check-up niya doon sa school. Kaya, yan, pinagpaalam ko siya. 9:15 man ang pasok niya ngayon. Sabi ko, papasok siya after na kanyang check-up. Kaya yun, ready na yung bata. And si Bella, kailangan ko rin dalhin. Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng maiwan si Bella mag-isa dito. Baka mamaya, hindi siya pwedeng magkain lang siya nung mag-isa dito. Hindi, Bella, ayan. So, mag-Milo muna ako or coffee na lang. Milo, parang mas trip ko mag-Milo ngayon. Kaysa mag-coffee tayo. So, kumusta kayo in the morning, everyone? That will be our itinerary and schedule for today's video, for today's vlog. And still, I don't know hanggang saan ang kahihinantungan. Ano daw yung sinabi? Hanggang saan hahantong yung vlog natin na ito for today's video. Baka mahantong na naman to sa mga jackpot mamayang hapon ni Mr. Bean. When we don't know yet. Kasi hindi ko pa sure kung may overtime ba ang asawa ko later on or wala. It really depends sa asawa ko kung makakauwi siya ng maaga from work. Kumusta ang inyong mga buhay dyan? Kumusta yung mga trabaho? Kumusta ang mga naghahanap buhay dyan sa kalsada? Mga naghahanap buhay dyan sa mga palengke? At kung saan man kayo maghahanap buhay, I hope na you're doing well. I hope you're doing good. Yung mga homeschooling man, home-based na work from home. Kumusta kayo dyan? Napakaswerte dahil you're working from home. At the same time, you are with your family. Sana po na you are with your family while doing your jobs at home. Si Inday Caria, me too, isa work from home. Dito si Inday Caria. Work from home, strike anywhere, strike everywhere. Itong trabaho ni Inday Caria. Kahit kung saan-saan napupunta ang ating vlog for today's video. Eto, mamainit muna. Tapos, bihisan ko si Bella kasi now it's 9:05. Si Miggy, paunahin ko na yan doon. Dahil magsasakyan man ako. Siya is, magbabike lang yan siya. Ang aming bata, gising pala. Nandun, tahimik lang siya. Kanina pa pala siya doon gising. Pagpasok ko kay nagngisi-ngisi man lang yung bata. Good morning. No, just nagngisi-ngisi man ng bata ng good morning. Good morning. Wala, tahimik lang siya. Dali na, let's change na kay we're going to Kuya's school. Give me the bulatlat, Kuya. Give me that one, Kuya. Yeah. Ay, sus, ang galing-galing naman itong kuya na to. Galing-galing naman. Dali niya. We will change na. Going to Kuya's school? We go to Kuya's school again? Ready naman na yung kanyang pang-aura dito. Give me diaper, love. Yes, we will. Give me diaper. Please. For this bulat-lat. Ang ganda-ganda naman ang gising.
Good morning, baby.
Naka-diaper na. Na-change na diaper ang ating baby girl. Lagyan natin ng shirts ang ating baby girl. Kuya, you can leave na. And I will see you there. Okay, just wait for me. Don't go inside yet, huh? No, outside. Wait for mommy outside, huh? You wait for me outside. You don't go yet inside. We are going together, okay? Then I will introduce you to your teacher once we are done. Ayan, bihisan mo na ang bulatlat. Walang ligo-ligo itong bulatlat na ito ngayon. Inday, inday, inday. Diyos ko mong good girl ka. Ayaw ng baby girl. Nagmata, nagngisi-ngisi naman mo mata ni. Hindi, close open. Ikaw show the besties. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. You're trying to learn na, no?
Goodbye.
Goodbye, love you.
Bye, baby.
Take care, okay?
With Bella's coming?
Yeah, Bella, of course, is coming. She can't be here alone.
Goodbye, baby.
Yes, mommy. I'll see you there, okay?
Okay.
Love you. Now we're ready for the mommy duties na naman. Eto ng aura ng ating Bella Foot. Just ang laki ng ribbon. Sasabihin na naman, laki ng ribbon ng anak mo. Regalo to eh. Regalo sa amin ni Lord ang baby na ito. Kaya lalagyan natin siya ng malaking ribbon dyan. Si Kuya umalis na. So, kami din ni Inday Bella ay aalis na. Ayan, just yung gondo-gondo naman. Ganda-ganda ng gising. Hindi na lang ako magdala ng stroller. Mag-career na lang ako. Tapos magsasakyan kami kay medyo malilate tayo kung maglalakad pa. Yan, magandang morning ngayon. Hindi na. Ganda ng morning. Parating na kaagad ako dito sa school grounds. At bait-bait lang talaga nitong baby girl na to. Kay tahimik lang talaga. Kuya, I'm here. And the princess is here. Hi, princess. Good morning na, princess. What are you looking, Langga? What are you looking? Looking for something? Dali, ito, mag-career na lang si mama. Mag-career na lang ang ating princess baby. Dito muna kayo. Lagay ko muna kayo dyan. Sana huwag kayong matumba dyan. No. The princess. Ayo, there we go. Ganito ang buhay ng inahan dito sa abroad. Hindi madali. Kailangang lumaban. Ha? No? Inday, no? Laban kung laban lang tayo dito, Inday. Yan. Go for the gold man lagi si Mama Inday na. Go for the gold man yan para sa mga chikiting bagting. Chikiting bagting. Akong princess. Oh, princess. Your mommy's princess. Of course. I am your princess, mommy. Doon si Kuya habang naglalak si Kuya ng kanyang bike. Tayo naman dito ay. Ganyan tayo. Ayan. Isa lang naman ang isasara ko dito para may makita siya. No, hindi, no? At saka para hindi ako masyadong mahirapan. Ay, ganyan. Kung halos si Miggy nakakita ba kaya ng parking ng kanyang bike? Sana naman nakakita ng parking ng bike. Did you find a parking?
Yeah.
Yeah? There's a spot? Okay. Let's go. Can you bring Bella's bag, anak, first, please?
Bella's bag?
Yeah, ayun, anak. Oh.
This one?
Yes, thank you, anak. Let's go. Papasok na kami doon sa loob ng kanyang school. Yeah, you will have a check-up.
Then I go to my class.
Yes, you will. Kaya ayaw man din itong mag-absent.
I will show you my class.
Yeah, let's do.
You know it?
I don't know. Ayan yung mga high school siguro yan nagagawa ng mga art craft nila. Thank you. Ayan, buti na lang tinulungan niya kami para hindi na magkawala-wala. It's here. It's 9:30. Your schedule is 9:30. Ayan.
I did not know they have this.
Yeah, we're already here.
Like in sports.
Yeah, and we will just wait until they will call us. Ayan, ito yung
Wait, I'm
school
gonna have
nurse.
check up.
Yes. No, not the teeth this time. This time is only your healthcare. In September, you will have your dental checkup.
With my teeth?
Yes.
Oh, and my teeth will be removed?
No. They will just check. Is everything? Okay, sure. Just to make sure. Yeah. Miltä ensimmäiset koulupäivät on tuntunut? Hyvin. Hyvä. Hyvä juttu. Onko sulla kavereita luokalla? Joo. Oliko ne tuttuja Eskarista?
Joo.
Joo. Hyvä. Miten Eskarissa meni? Oliko kaikki hyvin? Joo. Siellä oli sulla kavereita myös?
Joo.
Joo. Hyvä. Hyvä. Mites? Joo.
did this preschool, everything went okay, or is there
Yeah, the
some-
last preschool was really good for him, and he was really happy. He was really enjoying the preschool, the last preschool he had. He was not very confident with the first one. He would always say, coming home, that nobody wants to be friends with him. But I think I understand that it was maybe because of the language, because that year he was not very. I mean, the language was he has lack of the understanding yet, and nobody in the class was speaking English, so he feels like nobody wants to be friends with him because the other kids, they don't speak English with him, and also he cannot speak Finnish that well
it's
yet
difficult,
that time.
yes,
So
of course.
I think it was because of the language barrier.
Yeah, but good.
But this time,
yeah.
The following year, he would always come home and he would always be excited to go to school. He was like really doing well.
Yes, that's nice. Very good. Yeah. There was some occupational therapy and physiotherapy, like I don't know what is in English, lähete. But did you go there?
Which physiotherapy? A speech therapy, you mean? Because there was a recommendation for him to go to speech therapy.
Oh yes, yes.
The speaking
Yeah,
therapy.
yes, and then
No, we did not go because knowing my son and within our culture, it's quite normal that when he was little. I think the note was from 2 years or 1 year ago. Yeah. Anyway, we
1
didn't.
year ago. Yes.
1 year ago, we
Yeah.
didn't go because I know that it's quite normal, especially in our culture, that kids they hardly like learn how to speak right away with letter R, letter L. This is quite hard for them. But I know that eventually he would learn it, and I know that from home, when I'm trying to ask him or to let him say it slowly, he can do it.
Yeah. Oh.
Like nobody knows better than the mother.
Yes. That's
Yeah.
right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And is there R and S and L?
Yeah, but now
You haven't heard.
there's no problem
No
at all.
problem.
Yeah,
Yes,
it
so
was
very
just
good.
that when he was starting to talk and he was starting to learn, it was just that. And I think the concern was more of the recommendation of the speech therapy was more of because the delay in learning how to speak Finnish.
Yeah.
Yes, but
Yes.
actually
That's good.
now he is really speaking well.
Yeah. Yes.
Like many of our friends, Finnish friends, would tell us that he's really good at speaking Finnish now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Yes. And how about the occupational? Because there is something like eating and
All right.
clothes
No,
and
I
everything,
understand.
but
Yeah, this was
it's-
coming from the
yeah.
preschool because this is what I explained to them that during his first preschool time. This was 2 years ago. It was because he was the only child at home, and he's the only son of my husband. He's the first child of my husband because I have the first child from my first husband. So we treat him like a baby. And also, again, it's because of the culture. We, from our culture in the Philippines, even if our kids are already grown up, we still do serve them, we still care for them, and especially that he was alone in the house. He's the only baby in the house, so we actually treated him like a baby. Like at 6 years old, we were still feeding, dressing him up. But eventually, after this discussion, we have actually teach him how to do everything on his own. And luckily, it works because we're so proud. Even he can cook the rice now on his own. He's cleaning up dishes. From the machine. Like he does help me with the laundry. Like now he has really improved a lot from that being a baby to being a big boy, and especially now being a big brother. Also, he really is a big help to me, especially taking care of my little one. Like he has really improve a lot to a big brother.
Yes.
He's
very
been
nice.
promoted.
Yeah. Yeah, very good. And you don't have any concerns about doing something with her himself, like
No, not at
Yes.
all. I mean, I'm so grateful. He's a very great help for me.
yeah.
You can't imagine how he is helping me after having the little one.
Yeah. So everything's
Especially
good.
that the dad is at work.
Yeah.
Like he knows that I'm thankful for him, and I always appreciate him, and I always say to him that thank you so much.
Yeah, that's so nice. Yes, important. Yes.
Yeah.
Nyt on vasta muutama päivä ollut koulua, mutta onko koulussa ollut hyvää ruokaa? Joo, hyvä. Hyvä. Maistatko kaikkea aina?
Joo.
Joo. Hyvä. Juotko maitoa?
Joo.
Joo.
No ei.
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 Sometimes.
Okei. Entä tykkäätkö jogurtista?
Joo.
Joo. Entä syötkö juustoa?
Joo.
Joo.
His favorite used to.
Okay, very good. Yes. Hyvä. Mites kotona? Maistuuko kotona ruoka?
Joo.
Hyvin. Joo. Does he eat everything or just?
Not so much with salads and vegetables.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know why, but
Yeah.
growing up, like when he was a toddler, he used to have everything was vegetables and meat. But now that he's grown up, he barely eats those.
Okay.
I still eat.
You still eat them a bit, yeah? Yeah.
It's good. Like a little bit.
Yeah,
Yes.
little by little. we'll get
Yeah.
there.
Very good. Is there any allergies?
No.
No. Good. How about vitamin D?
Yeah, he has his vitamins
Yes.
every day.
Yes, very
D
good.
and C.
Okay. Ja. Osaatko itse sanoa, että monelta meet nukkumaan?
8.
8. Joo. Nukahdatko helposti?
Joo.
Joo.
It's 8:30 is his bedtime.
Okay, very good. Yes. And does he wake up at the night or
No,
sleeping or home? Yes.
the whole night. Same with this one.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, we don't wake up at night.
Okay.
We like normally for this little one we wake up about 4 or 5. It's the only time she will wake up to ask for milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
But that's from 10:30, 10. She will start to sleep and wake up at 4 or 5.
Okay. Wow. Very good.
Yeah, that's the weight and the height.
Height.
The growth is just normal,
Yes.
or it's above.
Very normal. It's
Very-
very good because it's in the same line here.
Yeah.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
And this is like weight. It's a bit growing.
Yeah, the weight is a bit high.
Yeah. But,
Yeah.
but little bit like more vegetables and
Yes. Yes.
tasting and so. But it's like normal now. But it's good if it's going. Will
Yeah,
be
level.
like
Yeah,
but
for the weight.
Yes. Yes.
Need to have diet.
No diet, but
Need to avoid the sweets because he loves too much sweets.
That's
Yeah, always
Little bit.
eating ice cream, chocolate.
Yeah, I know.
That's not very recommended. Okay.
It's okay to eat sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes,
but
Not every day.
Yes, not every day. Like
Yeah.
once in a week.
Yeah, only Friday maybe or Saturday. Yeah.
But my candy day is Sunday.
Yeah, but I give him the sweet day is Sunday.
Okay. Yeah.
So maybe Sunday. Not every day sneaking with the chocolates.
Fine, I will take the diet.
No, you don't need to
No
diet.
diet. And
You're still
that's
young.
good if you like to play outside and everything like that. That's
Yeah, everything is normal. It's just that you need to control with the sweets.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, only once a week, only Sunday.
Okay,
And not finish everything on Sunday.
And maybe it's
You're guilty, right?
when there is like a something like a birthday party or something like that.
Yeah,
It's okay,
occasional,
of course.
yes.
Yes.
There's a party.
Yes.
Not every day sneaking with ice cream.
I know. I like to. It's very good, but
Yeah.
yes. And then
Check your eyes.
yes,
How?
you can keep like this. Istu vaan silleen.
Hold the paper. Hold the board.
Mä voin pitää tätä, mutta pidä sä tästä kiinni. Ota tästä kiinni.
Yeah.
No. Ja kerro ensin, että mikä toimii. Mikä se on sun mielestä? Miltä se näyttää?
Se näyttää kotista.
Joo, koti. Entäs tämä? 4.
4
Joo, entäs toi?
ympyrää.
Entäs toi? Voit sanoa, miltä se sun mielestä näyttää.
The shape.
Joku sanoo, että sydän ja joku
Sydän.
Joo.
Tapos na si Miggy sa kanyang check-up for this year. Yeah. It's 20 now? Yeah, vale 20. So it is a playtime outside? Yeah, okay na. Pati yung kanyang hearing test, ito yung kanyang picture. Chinek din, nag-eye test. Lahat po talaga. Ganyan nilalagaan yung ating mga bagets dito. Hey! Yeah. Kasi napaka-importante sa kanila yung nag-aaral yung bata na healthy din yung bata. Medyo malaki nga lang talaga siya. And dito, they give the freedom sa mga bata na makapagsalita kung ano yung gusto nilang sabihin. Kaya nung siya ang kinakausap, siya lang talaga ang magsasagot. Na-endorse ko na ulit si Kuya Miggy sa kanyang teacher. Okay na. Pwede man sanang excuse na lang siya for today, the whole day after ng check-up. Pero si Miggy ayaw niya. Gusto niya daw na pumasok doon. Kaya yun, pinapasok ko na. Ayan yung learning dito ng mga bata. Nasa outdoor, dyan sila tuturuan. Once in a while, nagaganyan po sila. Kasi dito, important dito is learn and play yung mga bata. They enjoy the learning while they are at play. Kaya most of the time, nasa outdoor activities talaga yan sila. No, Inday, no? Ikaw, Inday? You will go to school na? Huh? Just yung cute-cute naman ng aking princess. Napaka-good girl. Tapos natuwa sa kanya yung nurse kay ang ingay man ito doon, yung baby girl na ito. Nag-ingay man ito doon na. Naingay ikaw, baby girl. Chish, baka naman. Tara, go home na tayo. Nakauwi na kami ng aking princess. Napaka-good girl ng princess na ito. Opo, chika, pretty man ko. Ay, nag-princess Barbie. Maning akong Cinderella man. Takarong adlaw. Ayan, Diyos ko po. Napaka naman talaga nitong baby na to. Napaka naman talaga. So, yun. Merong, baka narinig nyo kanina, yung sa occupational therapy ni Miggy. That was because 2 years ago, nung nasa daycare pa siya, pinapag-occupational therapy kami. Gawa nga ang concern nila kay Miggy is hindi daw marunong magbihis ng damit niya, maghubad ng kanyang jacket, magsuot ng kanyang sapatos. Tapos pag kumakain daw, hindi parang pag may babalatan, hindi daw marunong. So, pinagpa-occupational therapy siya. Actually, for me, hindi naman kailangan ng occupational therapy yon. Yun nga ang in-explain ko sa kanila na yung kultura natin bilang mga magulang Filipino na parents is that we are very affectionate tayo sa mga anak natin. We are very expressive sa pagmamahal natin sa mga anak natin, na kahit 6 years old na sinusubuan pa namin, binibihisan, nililiguan, and that's where we started him I think mga 5 years old siya noon, na i-train siya talaga na gawin lahat mag-isa. Kasi dito po talaga, as early as 2 years old, like ito si Bella, ipapasok namin sa daycare. Tuturuan na po nila ito na magbihis na mag-isa, kumain na mag-isa ang mga bata dito. Dahil hindi nila, ayaw nilang binibaby ang mga bata dito. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, ang mga puti or yung mga European, napaka-independent nila. Na as early as 16 years old dito, ini-encourage na nilang tawag nito, humiwalay sa magulang at mag-live na independently. Kaya yun po ang nangyayari dahil as early age as possible, tinuturuan na nila kasi yung mga bata talaga dito na maging independent sa sarili nila. Kaya ganun po yung meaning no occupational therapy na pinabibigay kay Miggy last time. So, yun. Ang lang naman yun is a training from home. Kaya doon talaga kami nag-start dahil nga hindi po pwede yung ginagawa na binibaby lagi yung mga anak. But of course, nandun mangingibabaw pa rin yung kultura natin na mahalin natin yung mga anak natin, pagsilbihan natin yung mga anak natin. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, tayo kasi sa kultura natin, kahit matatanda na yung mga anak natin, pinagsisilbihan pa rin natin, di ba? Sabi ko nga noon, nung in-interview ako niyan, kasi hindi naman lahat talaga ng problema namin dito or our family problem is not for you to solve, di ba? Kaya hindi namin lahat sinasabi. Kaya nung that time, kinausap ako, sabi ko talaga sa kultura namin, kahit may apo na yung mga anak, nandun pa rin sa puder ng magulang. Nandun pa rin. Hindi pa humihiwalay sa magulang. Totoo naman. Sabihin nyo sa akin, hindi totoo. Real talk lang to eh. Walang hindi totoo dito sa sinasabi ko. Lahat lang to is just reality. Kaya, yun ang ibig lang pong sabihin nun. Hindi po ibig sabihin is may problema sa si Miggy. Walang mental problem, walang health problem si Miggy. Everything is normal. It's just that iba lang po talaga yung kultura na nakasanayan namin as parents kaysa dito.
Few moments later.
Inday Karya to the go na naman si Inday Karya. Ayun yung aking na harbat man to na shorts. Harbat ako. I'm sure wala na akong harbat ngayon na food dumpster. Doon tayo sa dumpster sa mga damitan na naman kay kulang pa, hindi pa puno. Kailangan natin punuin yung pero dadaan ako kay Mr. Suspense. Titignan natin kung may maariba tayo kay Mr. Suspense. Meron di ay, di ba? Who knows? Nobody knows. Only the fate knows. Unsa daw? Kapalaran lang ang may alam kung anong papala natin. Sana bukas pa si Mr. Suspense kay Ginoo ko. Is 18:10 which is 6:10 in the evening na po dito sa Finland. Init-init pa ng panahon ngayon, Zay. Ito, wala na ako naka-update sa inyo kanina. Kay Zay tawag kanina, busy na kay Inday Bella, na busy na sa bahay. Buhay nanay ni Inday Karya. Kumusta kayong lahat? Ito, tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay ni Inday Karya. Dili lang taana ni. Dili lang ta magpasulabi ni Inday Cars. Dire-diretso lang ta ni Inday sa atong kinabuhi. Diba? Huwag kumo sa pagpaningkamot. Bisaya kayo. Kumbaga, sabi ko, walang imposible kung tayo ay magsikap. Doon sa maning sakyanan kay diri mampud diri kuan mampud kaayo. Sino mang magaling nagparking nito dito kaya kay tingnan nyo, dikit na dikit ako dyan. Hirap makalabas pag medyo malaki yung sasakyan. Pero nakalabas rin naman kahit paano. Nakaraos rin si Inday Karya. Kaya ito, gugurable tayo. Grabe yung bahay dyan, oh. Na, purma na agad. Sa atin yan, mga ilang buwan pa yan bago mo makita yung purma. Ito, sus, kahapon ba lang yung isang araw nung naglakad kami ni Inday Bella, kahapon. Inangat-angat yung na yan. Ngayon, ayan na, may mga ding-ding na. May mga naka-attach na nga na glasses. Ang bilis. Hindi ara kay Mr. Suspense si Inday Karya. Magpapakibot na naman sa inyong mga hapon. Diretso tani. Di ba magpa-duha-duha ni. Di ara. Tara, puntahan natin. Ano meron dito? Empty na empty. si Inday Cars. Super empty. Walang laman. Ang ating Mr. Bean. Bukya bells man si Inday Cars. Ang tigulang. Diretso ta dire. Naglakad-lakad muna ako dito kay andun si Tiyuyoy doon na nasa sasakyan. Nyari muna tayo dito. Wala na si Tiyuyoy. Muadto na si Inday Cars. Lumiko lang talaga ako dito. Kung saan doon na may ginagawa ni Kuya doon. Wala pala. Diretso na.
Ano na? Ito ba ay puro kalokohan? Di na halata na mayroon tayong kulang. Para yatang wala na akong natutunan. At isang gabi ako'y nalunod sa titig mo kay lamig. Kitang kita na tayo'y nasasabik sa pag-asang balang araw di na magkatabi.
Dito na tayo kay Weekend Bean pero liliko lang si Inday Cars kay andun ang mga antibells. I'm not sure kung kita nyo doon pero nandun sila. Kaya hindi mo na arriba si Inday Cars. Matagal ako mag-aantay dyan. Marang nagme-meeting sila doon. Nagme-meeting. Hindi mo na ako dyan. Dito na lang ako sa ano. Kasi kinuha doon kay Mr. Suspense, Weekend Bean, tsaka dyan sabi na hindi sinusukuan. Isa lang ang kumukuha niya na truck. Kaya I'm sure na nakuha na rin yun dyan. Dito na lang tayo sa Keratos. Maghahanap na naman tayo ng ukay-ukay. Mang-ukay-ukay na naman si Inday Cars. Meron mga nagtatanong, yung asawa ko daw ba ay hindi daw ba nagsusuot ng mga napupulot ko na ukay-ukay. Yung vlog ko naman today, yun yung nanguha ako ng napakadami kong nakuha ng mga damit. Kinuha man ni Robert yung isa, yung polo. Hindi ko naman po kukunin kung alam kong ayaw niya or hindi ko ibibigay sa kanya kung alam kong ayaw niya at hindi niya size. Kung napapansin niyo po, pag nagda-dumpster po ako nitong mga gamit na mga damit, kalimitan po puro pambabae. Bihira po tayo makakuha ng panglalaki. Gumagamit po yan si Robert. Meron din po yan siyang mga ukay-ukay na sinusuot. Hindi nyo lang po siguro pansin, hindi nyo lang po siguro nakikita kasi nasa nagdadala yan, besh. Charos lang. Oo, gumagamit po siya ng mga napupulot ko rin. The other, kanina, yung napulot ko na polo pala na shirt, kanina binigay niya kay Miggy. Hindi man kasya sa kanya, small man. Ang size niya kasi medium. Hindi man natin pwedeng sabihan sila na, huy, kailangan ang itapon nyo yung medium kay para kay Kuku M. Hindi ganun. Kung ano yung abutan natin at ano yung magustuhan, syempre ako din. Hindi naman lahat ng napupulot ko gusto ko, di ba? Ano yung gusto namin, yun lang ang kukunin natin. Yun lang, pinipili din namin. Syempre, kukuha ako, tas hindi ko naman type, hindi naman bagay sa akin. Hindi rin. Hindi sa yun. Walang arte din yan si Robert. Mamulot na naman tayo ng mga libreng damit. Dito na naman tayo sa Keratos. Nagsarado na, bukas pa. Alam ko hanggang alas 9 man to dito nagsasara. Pero mukhang konti lang na naman. Paghapon na kasi. Alam nyo ba anong oras na? Is 6:40. Uminit na naman. Lumiwanag na naman. Buti nga lang, sana pahaba-habain pa. Kahit hanggang end of September yung init. Okay lang sa amin. Carry bells namin yan. Dito, tingin tayo dito. Ayun. Doon din sana meron pang mga bagong tapon dito. Ilang palisin ko rin po sila. Cute-cute ng baby girl niya. Uy, dito ay merong na naman. Bago-bago na naman to. Kasi iba na naman to eh. Iba na naman mga itsura yung mga nandito. Si Mami Jasmine, yun nga, meron daw siyang ibibigay sa akin. Ayan, esprit to. Kunin natin itong esprit. Ito meron dito, no? May hapon, no? Inday Cars, no? Mangukay na puntaan ni Lulu. Ayan. Sa mga itong mga naadirian. Ayan, oh. Yes. Maganda ang kunin natin, Lo. Kayo dyan, anong pinagkakaabalahan nyo dyan? Ayos lang ba ang lahat dyan? Ayan, pang lalaki, pero hindi man tukas siya kay Robert. Kunin natin ito kay Basta. Magkasya ito mga Lulu at mga Tiyuyoy. Ito. Hindi ko type. Hindi type ni Inday Cars. Huwag natin pipili. mga pangbata. Ayan. Ay, masyado maiksi. Hindi sila nagsusuot ng maiksi doon sa bukid. Sama niyo. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Nanonood. Hindi kaya. Ito, H&M cute to. May ganakan ko ano. Kailangan ko yung print niya. Paano mapupuno in daycares nga? Yung ibang nakukuha sa'yo man napupunta. Siyempre pwede naman siguro sa akin din. Mabuto pang nanay. Ayan. Kuha, mapuntag ubay-ubayan. Uy, init. Masakit yung init sa balat.
Everybody's getting stir crazy now. Twiddling thumbs and trying to make sense of the drought. We got to be in your mind, honey. I know something that don't come.
Dito merong libre dito na ganito upuan ng bata pag kumakain na yung bata. Ayan Pero masyadong marami na akong ganyan. At saka masyadong malaki para dun sa upuan ni Inday Bella. Hindi yan yung fit sa upuan ni Inday Bella. Kunin ko sana yung cover lang. Pero hindi yan ang fit para kay Inday Bella. Kaya no. Ito mga jacket man ang nandito. Hindi man maganda ang nandito ngayon. Mga luma naman niya yung iba. Ito meron pang bata dito. Ang cute naman ito. Ay, punit. Natin kunin pag punit. Ito, shorts. Punit din. Hindi na maganda. Ito, cute to. Ay, unicorn. Kunin natin to. Sinsay. Ayan. Dito sa kabila. Meron din ba dito? Ay, ito. Maganda to. Ang bata. Ay, pang bata ba? Hindi. Pang ano. Yan ang ganda. Bago pa no. Tingnan nyo. Bagong-bago pa. Kunin natin yan, syempre. Ito. Ayan, pang baby girl. Tingnan natin ang likod. Kung ayos pa ba ang mga butones. Check. Ayan. Wala ba yung sastre doon sa bukid ha? Bibigyan natin ito. Diri sa ito sa ilalim. Ganda. Ayan. Ito. Sama ni. H&M Bagong-bago pa. Polo. Kunin natin yan. Hindi pwedeng hindi natin kukunin yan. Ito, mga polo. Magagamit to sa mga nila. Pang simba. Bagong-bago pa. Unsa man ito, hindi. Dali, mangaykay ako dito sa ilalim. Nakarami naman ng bitbit si Inday Cars niyo mga beshes ko. Yun si Auntie Bills doon. Sana may dala pang tea doon. Nagtiti doon sa labas. Nag-aya pa siya sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi na, thank you na lang. So, yun. Ako uuwi na. Ito, madami-dami ang aking may uuwi. So, kanina, nung nag-check up si Miggy, hindi ko pa kasi nasasabi kay Robert. Kailangan ko palang sabihin sa kanya kasi nag-worry nga ako sa mata ni Miggy. Kay, ko ba, yung nanay, na-anticipate ko baka mamaya yung mata niya ba is malabo. Kay, siging laro ng cellphone. Alam niyo ba yung mga anak natin. Tapos minsan, nagtatago pa yan sa ilalim ng kumot. Nagsi-cellphone. Yung radiation ng cellphone, diba, nakakaano yan sa mata ng bata. Pero good thing naman is that, okay naman yung kanyang eyesight. Okay naman yung kanyang eye check-up. Wala naman siya problema. Home, sweet home. At last na naman ang inyong Inday Caria. Dari, hindi ko pala nasabi sa'yo. Si Miggy, nag-check up din kanina ng eye test, hearing test. What else was that your check-up? What did you hear when they did the hearing test when you're doing like this?
If it makes a tiny sound, I have to press it.
Okay, just a very tiny sound.
Yeah.
So that's how they do the hearing test. You know, I was worried with your eyes when they're testing the eyes.
No, I'm
Kasi
good.
my she's like, yeah, I know you're good, but sometimes you were wrong when you were saying Nelia. Nelia is no, not 4 square. Yun ang Nelia, di ba 4 yan sa numbers, tapos yun din ang tawag sa square. Then, di ba, alam mo, yung Sudan? Siodan. Di ba yung puso? Pag, heart. Yung puso ng baboy, Sudan. Tapos yung heart na shape, Sudan din. Kaya sa kanya ako natututo. Na-worry ako dun sa mata niya kasi nga, minsan, hindi niya nasasagot kasi medyo malayo. Tapos, alam niyo yung parang, ang eye test nila dito, yung parang nag-ano ka, yung parang sa, nagkukuha ka ng sa sasakyan ba, lisensya. Hoy, Bila. Unsa man ni Bila? Unsa man na? Daddy's girl man tarong adlaw langga. Oh. Ay, bakit na naman, ha? Ang sexy naman nito. Yun mga beshes ko, ako'y magpapaalam na for today's video and for today's vlog. Thank you so much for the love and support. This has been your Inday Karya. Thai finish dahil Thailander ang aking nanay at finish ang aking tatay. Ako po ay proud Pinay.